Think $100,000 is enough to be rich? Newsflash, you're barely one-third of the way to a million, and 99% of people don't realize why. Yeah, $100,000 sounds like a lot. You've been saving, cutting subscriptions, maybe skipped the avocado toast for years, and yet your million-dollar dreams are still a dream. Why? Because hitting 1 million isn't just about hitting a number. It's about how that money grows over time and what most people don't do with it. Before we dive in, drop a comment. What's your current savings? Be honest, we're all here to level up. Let's break down why $100,000 is just the beginning and how you can turn that third into a full million. $100,000 feels big, but it's only the start. $100,000 in the bank? Congrats, you're still not rich. It's easy to think a six-figure savings is the finish line. It isn't. $100,000 is like reaching the first checkpoint in a marathon. You've made progress, yes, but the real growth comes from compounding. If your money just sits in a savings account earning 0.5%, congratulations, it's growing slower than inflation. So how do we actually make it grow faster? That's where most people mess up. 2. The power and blind spot of compound interest. Compound interest isn't magic, but it sure feels like it when you do it right. Most people think, I saved $100,000, now I'm set. Wrong. You're really setting yourself up for decades of slow growth if you don't invest. The rich don't just save, they let time do the heavy lifting. Stocks, index funds, or other growth assets turn that $100,000 into $200,000, $400,000, even $1 million over time. But here's the kicker, it only works if you start early and stay consistent. Drop a comment, what's your favorite way to invest? Stocks, crypto, real estate? Let's compare strategies. But even with compound interest, there's a sneaky factor that derails 90% of savers. 3. Lifestyle inflation is the silent killer. You got a raise? Nice. Now watch your wealth disappear. Every time you increase spending when your income goes up, you're undoing years of saving. New car, fancy apartment, daily lattes. It all adds up. $100,000 might feel huge, but lifestyle inflation eats away your compounding potential. The wealthy don't chase better toys, they let their assets chase them. Now let's talk about another trap that's even more brutal. 4. Taxes and hidden fees drain growth. Uncle Sam is a silent partner in your bank account, and he's taking more than you think. Saving $100,000 is one thing, but taxes on capital gains, investment fees, and hidden account charges can shave years off your path to $1 million. If you're not optimizing tax-advantaged accounts and low-fee investments, you're basically giving your money away for free. So how do the pros fight back? Strategy, strategy, strategy. 5. Diversification. Don't put all eggs in a low-interest basket. Stocks only? Bonds only? Cash only? Nope. Rookie move. People get complacent after hitting $100,000. Suddenly, they're overconfident. The richest investors diversify across stocks, bonds, real estate, and even side hustle income streams. Diversification spreads risk and accelerates growth. $100,000 in cash alone won't cut it, but $100,000 spread wisely? That's how you inch toward $1 million. And there's one last mindset shift that separates the one-thirders from the millionaires. 6. Mindset. See $100,000 as seed money, not the finish line. Stop patting yourself on the back. You're not done yet. $100,000 is a source of fuel, not a trophy. Millionaires think long-term and are growth-oriented and resist the temptation of halfway celebration. Every dollar should either grow, protect, or build new streams of income. Treat it like a machine, not a mattress. Quick, what's your $100,000 plan? Let me know in the comments. Your strategy might inspire someone else. All right, now let's bring it all together. 7. Side hustles supercharge growth. Think your 9 to 5 alone will make you a millionaire? Cute. Most people stop at saving and investing, but additional income streams are how millionaires accelerate wealth. Freelance, consult, create digital products, even a small side hustle adds compounding growth. $100,000 plus extra income equals $1 million faster than you think. Now, even with side hustles, there's a trap most people overlook. 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation 2.0. You survived the first raise. Don't ruin it with the next one. Every income bump is a test. New gadgets, bigger apartment, more subscriptions. Each upgrade quietly eats your compounding power. Wealth grows when your lifestyle stays disciplined and your assets grow. All right, now let's talk about the most overlooked growth booster. 9. Reinvest everything that works. Dividends, interest, side hustle profits. Don't spend them like lottery winnings. Every extra dollar you earn should either grow or protect your wealth. Reinvest profits, reinvest dividends, reinvest anything that produces returns. The difference between $100,000 and $1 million is making your money earn more money repeatedly. And here's the mindset that makes all the math actually stick. 10. Mindset over money. If your brain isn't on board, your wallet won't be either. Millionaires treat $100,000 like a tool, not a trophy. They plan, they automate, they ignore the noise, and they stay consistent. It's boring, yes, but boring builds wealth. Your mindset determines if your $100,000 grows or stagnates. Let's wrap this up and see how all these pieces turn a third into a full million. Converting 1/3 to $1 million. $100,000 saved is amazing, but just the start. To achieve $1 million, you must work compound interest, refrain from lifestyle inflation, reduce taxes and fees, and diversify investments. View $100,000 as seed money, not winnings, and watch it grow. Add side hustles to turbocharge income, reinvest all gains, and resist the temptation to inflate your lifestyle with each surge. Lastly, take the millionaire mentality. Persistence, patience, and purposefulness convert that 1/3 into a whole million in due course. So you've got $100,000. Now what? Stop resting on your laurels. Use these strategies to let your money grow while you live smarter. $100,000 saved is a huge milestone, but it's just the beginning. To hit $1 million, you need strategy, discipline, and patience. Let your money compound, avoid lifestyle creep, diversify, and treat every dollar like a tool for growth. Start today, stay consistent, and watch that 1/3 turn into a full million. And if you're serious about hitting $1 million faster, subscribe to Jet Set Finance, hit like, and comment below your savings plan. We're building wealth together, one smart choice at a time. Time to let that $100,000 earn its wings. Stickman out.